Greeting to the examiner. I am Veena Bhagre and I will be representing this video for the examiner who would review my project for the backend skill test using Node.js and Mongodb. So the title of this project is Placement Cell, and the main functionality of this project is the team wants to maintain the database of all the student interviews. The details are batch, student details, score, interviews and the result. Okay. Coming to the project, the project pages contains the sign in and sign up page only for the employees, the list of student, and we can add the new student. Coming next point is the list of interviews form to create an interview with the data, allocate a student to an interview. Next is select an interview to view the list of all student and mark a student status from the list page itself. Okay, this is the sign in page. We are a new user, so we sign up the page. Here we give the first name. I give my name is Veena. Enter the last name. I give Bakale. Coming to the mail, veenab at gmail.com. Password, then submit it. Here we create a account. Now we can sign in the page using the mail ID and password. Veena b at gmail.com. Then password is, then it is a sign in the page. This is the home page. The home page contains the list of students. Okay, in the batch, the list of students mean serial number, batch, student name, email ID, college of the student, status of the student, DSA final score, web development final score, React final score, then actions. Here status means placed or not. How many scored in DSA, how many scored in web development, how many scored in React, then actions. Okay, coming to the interview, allocate. Here we allocate student to an interview. Here we put a company name and date of the interview, then submit. When we give the submit button, then it will interview allocation to the student. Okay, coming to the student, here we can add a new student using batch details, student name, example, email, college of the student, status of the student, placed or not, then DSA score of the student, web development score of the student, React score of the student. Then here we can submit the details. Okay, this is a header part, then this is the body part. Header part contain the home, student, interview list, placement cell, download the data and sign out page. This is the body. Okay, coming to the interview list. Interview list means here list of companies. This is a serial number, company name, action. There are many companies like Amazon, TCS, Samsung, Apple, Facebook, Google, Express, Auto, Wipro, Yahoo, etc. Coming to the action, this is this is Amazon company. Hired student is Hari. Hari's mail ID and result is I am done. Then coming to the placement cell. This is a placement cell means companies. HR factory job type is full time. Application publication in 2024 one, and timing location is this, and the salary is candidate performance in the interview. Like that, all the companies here outside, you know. Okay, this there is a many number of companies I added. Coming to the, and this is a placement cell. This is this is here we can apply the companies also. Okay, here we can schedule the interview. Then last one is the sign out page. We can sign up. Coming to the code of the placement cell. This is the main index.js code. Here we can express, then Mongodb store, passport, etc. etc. This is the package log.json file. This is the package JSON file. Coming to the assets. Assets contain the CSS files and images. CSS files are add student file, employee dashboard file, then interview file, layout file, result file, placement file, sign in file, and sign up file. This is the image logo of the placement cell. Coming to the configure folder. Configure folder contain the environment.js file, then flash message, then mongoose.js, then this is a passport local. Then coming to the controller folder contain the employee.js, then interview.js, jobs.js, the results.js, student.js. Okay, these all are contain the controllers. Coming to the models contains the employee.js, employee.js file, then interview.js file, then result.js file. This is a result.js file. Last one is the student.js file. Coming to the route contains the employee dashboard. Okay, this is the JS file. Then index.js file. This is the index.js file. Coming to the interviews, this is the interview.js file. Then result.js file. Coming to the views means here this is a HTML page. Add student EJS file. Then this is a employee dashboard EJS file. This is the form front view allocation. Then this is the interview JS file. This is the layout JS file. Then this is the placement cell. Also result, also sign in EJS file is there. Then also sign of EJS file. This is a sign of EJS file. Okay, this all files contain the placement cell code. That's it. Thank you.